Friends, we are going to solve another question number 6 from the exercise 6.2. This was the last question of the exercise 6.2. The question is given like this. In this figure, PQ and RS are the two mirrors placed parallel to each other. PQ is a mirror, RS is also a mirror, and they are parallel also. They both are parallel to each other. Okay. In an incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. This is incident ray. What is AB? AB is an incident ray. It's an incident ray and it is striking the mirror AB. You know very well in the science that the incident ray, whenever there is whenever a ray incidents, if it reflects back, then those two angles, the incident angle and the reflected angle, will be equal. Since these are mirrors, definitely the angles or the rays will be definitely reflected. Even if you think of this technology, fiber optic technology, they are also of the same mechanism. Inside the fiber optic, it is all made up of glass, and the signals are passed through light signals, passed in the form of light signals, and those light signals, they incident reflect. In such manner, they go and deliver the information. So that's another concept. So what I'm trying to say here is, AB is an incident ray. When it strikes this point, again immediately from that place it reflects back, and again it is striking here, and from here also it reflects back. So it continues, this procedure continues. Now what we are asked is, prove that AB is parallel to CD. यहाँ पर ये जो AB इंसिडेंट रे है और यहाँ पे ये जो CD रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ है, these two are also parallel. PQ, RS are parallel, no doubt, that is given. But we need to prove that AB is parallel to CD. So AB parallel के लिए AB CD के साथ parallel ये proof करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? If we can prove that this full angle and this full angle, because ABCD, it is looking like a Z, but unless the angles are mentioned, we cannot say that it is these two are parallel. So हमें ये proof करना रहेगा, the angle at this place and angle at this place, they both are equal. If they are equal, we can tell that they are alternate interior angles. BC will be a transversal. Obviously BC is a transversal here because PQ and RS are parallel lines. So उन दोनों के लिए BC definitely एक transversal होगा, लेकिन AB और CD के लिए भी ये transversal है करके हम जब proof करते हैं, then only we can say that AB and CD are parallel lines. So for that, what we will do here is, we will take up some construction. PQ is parallel, so perpendicular to PQ, I will draw here a perpendicular line. Perpendicular to PQ, I am constructing here a perpendicular line. Okay, so let us say this as E. I will give this name as E. ABCD हो गया, अब E लेते हैं. In the same way, I am drawing one more construction perpendicular to RS. RS के perpendicular में भी एक line में यहाँ पे draw करूँगा, perpendicular line. Let me say this as F. यहाँ पर हमने E लिया है, तो यहाँ पर हम F लेंगे. Now, when we have drawn these perpendiculars, just think of these two perpendicular lines. Here I'll write, draw BE perpendicular to PQ and CF perpendicular to RS. Then what do you say about these two perpendicular lines? Here it will be 90 degrees, या 90 होगा, तो यहाँ पर भी 90 होगा. Okay, and then here also this is perpendicular, definitely this will be perpendicular to this also, to other opposite line. So here also it will be 90. 90 plus 90, 180. That means these two will automatically be parallel. 90 plus 90, 180 co-interior angles. So therefore BE is parallel to CF. ये दोनों parallel हो गए हैं. अब ये दोनों parallel हुए हैं. Here we are getting some angles. Angle 1, 2, angle 3 and angle 4. These are the four angles we are getting. Now what do you say about angle 1 and 2? As you study in science, angle 1 and 2 are incident, and angle 1 is incident angle, and angle 2 is reflected angle. Angle 2 is reflected angle. So in science we study that incident angle and reflected angle, they both are equal. Incident and reflected, both angles are equal. So what we can say here, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In the bracket we can write incident angle is equal to reflected angle. Reflect angle. Okay. So in the same way, 3 for RS mirror, angle 3 is incident and CD angle 4 is reflecting. So in the same way, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay. Angle 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4. As BE is parallel to CF, therefore what we can say here, BC, BECF parallel है तो BC क्या होगा, BC is transversal. BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. If BC is transversal, definitely angle 2 must be equal to 3. They are alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3, alternate interior angle. Now see here, we will use some axioms. Axiom means a proven statements. If equals are added to equals, then wholes will also be equal. That means if two people are having 1 rupee, and if I give them one more 1 rupee to both, then also their whole will be equal only. That means they both will have 2 plus 2 and 2. Then also they both will be equal. In the same way, here angle 1, 2 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 4. Angle 1 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 3, and this 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Now let me write angle 1. I'll add these two angles. Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to. Can we write angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 3 plus 4 now? Angle 1 plus 2 will be equal to angle 3 plus 4. In other words, you can take angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 3. I'll strike off this. I'll write here like this. Angle 3 is equal to 2 is equal to 3. Angle 2 is equal to 3. Now, as from this statement, what we can say? All four angles are equal. So, adding angle 1 here and angle 4 here, even though we are representing angle 1 and 4, but they are equal in measure. They are all equal. So, I am adding equal amount of angle on both sides. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, what do we have? Angle 1 plus 2 is what? ABC. Angle 1 plus 2 is angle ABC. 3 plus 4 क्या होगा इसमें? Angle 3 plus 4 is BCD. BCD. And ये दोनों equal भी हैं. And they both are equal. Therefore, angle ABC and angle BCD are alternate interior angles. Hence what we can say? AB, BC is already a transversal. So AB and CD are parallel lines. Hence AB is parallel to CD. This is what we are asked to prove in the question. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. से हमने क्या प्रूव किया? AB इंसिडेंट रे और CD रिफ्लेक्टेड रे यहाँ पर परपेंडिकुलर्स ड्रा किए हैं CF एंड BE और एंगल्स फॉर्म हुए हैं. इंसिडेंट रे इज इक्वल टू रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, इंसिडेंट रे इज इक्वल टू रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड एंगल्स आर इक्वल. Incident angle, reflected angle, 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4, and then BE and CF are parallel. So 2 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 3 है, 1 is equal to 2 है already, 2 3 के साथ equal है, 3 4 के साथ equal है. So all 4 are equal. So I have added 2 3 के साथ 1 और 4 add किया, equal amount of angle on both sides. It's like adding one old coin of 1 rupee and new coin of 1 rupee. They both look different, but their value is same like here. So they are ABC and BCD. 1 plus 2 is ABC and 3 plus 4 is BCD, and they are alternate interior angles. They are equal. They are equal only when AB is parallel to CD. So that only we have written here. So that's the question number 6 of exercise 6.2. With this, in the previous video I have explained about 3 questions of exercise 6.3, and this is question number 6 of the exercise 6.2. With this entire chapter is over. So if you still have any doubts, you can write back to me or you can ask me. I can explain it to you. And after this we will be beginning with a new chapter. Please be ready for that. Update the notebook and show me that you have updated the notebook. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye.